Welcome to the NinjaTrader VPS channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to run the full NinjaTrader 8 desktop program on an old Mac. This is great for when you want to trade with a prop firm like Apex or run an automated strategy in NinjaTrader 8 because you can do it on your older Mac without spending thousands on upgrading to a new computer. If you've already purchased your server, you can skip ahead about 1 minute in this video to watch the instructions of how to use the server with an older Mac. The first step is to go to the website, NinjaTrader.com, and sign up for one of the server plans here. These are independent trading servers that we host for you to run NinjaTrader or any other application on. You can use this with all brokerages and prop firms. There's no restrictions. After completing checkout, the server is instantly provisioned for you, so you can start right away. You'll be taken to the My Account page with your server details, and you'll also receive an email with the login details as well. For this example, I'm going to copy my server's login and paste it into a notepad file for ease. Next, send an email to support@ninjamobiletrader.com to ask for the link to the compatibility version of the app, specifically for older Macs. We'll respond right away, providing you the download link for it. After downloading and installing the older compatible version of Microsoft Remote Desktop on your Mac, open it up and it should look like this. Next, get your server's login credentials and start by copying the full IP address. In the Microsoft Remote Desktop app, click on New. The connection name field is a label, and you can call it anything you like. For PC name, paste in the IP address of your server. Leave gateway set to no gateway configured. Next, copy and paste the username and the password into their respective fields. If you have multiple monitors and want to use the remote desktop across all of them, enable the checkbox for it at the bottom. Lastly, to save this connection, click on the red circle to exit out of the window, and you should see your saved connection. Double-click on it to connect. If you see this certificate pop up, click on Show Certificate, enable the Always Trust checkbox, and then continue. This final password screen is the password for your Mac to trust the certificate. And there it is, the full NinjaTrader desktop application through your old Mac. The best part is that everything is actually running on the server side, so it doesn't matter how slow your Mac is, NinjaTrader will be running smoothly. Now you can load up all your charts and indicators to place trades manually, or load up an automated strategy and let it run uninterrupted 24/7. Since the server is independent from your Mac, NinjaTrader and your strategies will keep running even when your computer loses internet connection or is turned off. To get started and be fully set up quickly, visit NinjaMobileTrader.com and select your plan. The server is instantly provisioned, so you will be set up and trading in under 5 minutes. For questions, send an email to support@NinjaMobileTrader.com, and our 24/7 support will be happy to help you. We also provide unlimited one-on-one screen sharing sessions for help with servers, NinjaTrader, prop accounts, and everything else.